In question two, right, so we have another improper integral. So again, we're thinking of this the same way as we would the previous one. If you watched that video, we're taking the limit as r approaches infinity of 0 to r. I'm going to pull this 3 all the way out front because who cares about that 3? Negative 3x dx. From here, just in case you're not great at your exponential integrals, if I have e to the ax dx, if you made a u substitution of ax, then du is just a dx, which means that dx is 1 over a du. So if you replace each of these terms with that, we're going to get 1 over a du, e to the u, and our integral. We could pull this 1 over a out front, and we're just left with 1 over a e to the u plus a constant, which is just 1 over a e to the ax plus a constant, right? So that numerical value, that constant in front of the x, just ends up being divided here. So I say that to say that this integral is going to be, we have that 3 out front, we still have a limit. I don't know why I said limit strangely there, limit, like I was excited about it. So we're going to have negative 1 over 3 e to the negative 3x evaluated from 0 to r. Same idea as before. We're going to get 3 times the limit as r approaches infinity of, I'm going to pull that negative 1/3 out front as well. So we have 3 times negative 1/3, which is really just going to be negative 1 out there. So I have e to the negative 3r minus e to the negative 3 times 0. So here's where you want to be really careful with negative exponentials, right? We have e to the negative r, which is really like having 1 over e to the 3r. Right, so in this case, because r is going off towards infinity, e to the 3r is also going off towards infinity, right? An exponential raised to a really big power is going to get really big as well. So this thing is going to shoot off towards 0. So that's going to be nothing, nada. Right, so minus e to the 0 is just going to be minus 1. We have this negative 1 still out front. So we're going to get positive 1 as our integral. So this thing converges, and it converges to a positive 1, aka an area of positive 1-ish as we get bigger and bigger and bigger.